a courthouse wedding may be more difficult to get.
Since Friday's Supreme Court ruling on same-sex marriage, several East Texas justices of the peace say they have decided to stop performing weddings. KLTV7's Julia Janae takes a look at the future of JP weddings here in East Texas.
For many couples, tying the knot doesn't have to involve a long aisle and a minister. It often involves a trip to the court. Smith County Justice of the Peace Quincy Beavers regularly conducts marriage ceremonies for those that prefer it.
It's not expensive. That's probably why, still having a big wedding. Some individuals talk to me and say, well, Judge, I decided just go to the Justice of the Peace. I can save some money.
Less money, and Judge Beavers says the process is usually quicker.
There's always been the Justice of the Peace. You see in the old movies, you go to Las Vegas, it's the Justice of the Peace, who performed the wedding.
But after Friday's Supreme Court ruling legalizing same-sex marriage, some JPs are putting up their marriage vow book altogether in an attempt to avoid discriminating against same-sex couples.
Some of them might have dealing with their religion, belief, dealing with the church.
We reached out to several East Texas Justices of the Peace, but most declined to go on camera and provided us with a written statement instead.
Justice of the Peace James Meredith in Smith County said, "I will no longer perform weddings after I conduct the few weddings I already had scheduled before the U.S. Supreme Court ruling." Justice of the Peace Paula Dyke in Titus County said, "Upon announcement of the Supreme Court opinion, I have decided to immediately stop performing all marriage ceremonies. That means less officials available for couples wanting to say I do in court." But Beavers says he doesn't think people will have trouble getting a JP wedding, especially in Smith County.
We have 5 Justice of the Peace, 5 justices. So out of that 5, it should be some judges that will perform the wedding.
Julia Janae, KLTV 7 News.
Quincy Beavers says there are about 8 same-sex couples who have asked him to marry them. Many of the justices who will no longer marry couples say that Texas law does not require them to perform marriage ceremonies, but it does require that they not discriminate due to race, religion, or national origin.